Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the FonoGuy. So, the upcoming Oppo Find X3 series, the Oppo Find X3 Pro, to have a two Sony IMX766 sensor. Find X3 incoming with a Snapdragon 870. Oppo is going to introduce the Oppo Find X3 lineup next month. Latest rumor from a China claim that the Find X3 flagship will have a two custom-made IMX766 sensor by Sony, one for the main wide angle camera, the other for the ultra wide angle shooter. The phone will also boost some impressive macro photography. Additionally, a leaked images suggest the Find X3 Pro, hidden behind the middle number PEEM00, appeared on a Geekbench, revealing the 12 gigs of RAM option. Nothing extraordinary since the Find X2 Pro also had it. So that's, as you can see, this is the Geekbench report. At the same time, what is likely the Find X3 Pro appeared on Athena. However, leaks are claim that it's actual a non-pro Find X3 powered by the Snapdragon 870 chipset, meaning the launch could unveil for Oppo Find phones. Alongside the regular Find X3, we already know to exact Pro, Neo and Lite variant, the phone looks similar to the Find X3 Pro, and the leaks claim it will have the same 6.78-inch OLED screen with a QHD plus resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. Even the camera island look like identical. So we will see in upcoming days the specification. The leak it has a 6.7 inch with a 1440 by 3216 pixel of the upcoming Oppo Find X3 smartphone. The camera is a 48 megapixel main and a 12 gigs of RAM with a 4500 mAh battery. Two storage option, 256 and 512 gigabytes. So let's see in upcoming days. Make sure to like this video and subscribe my channel for more tech videos. I'll catch you later in my next video. Peace out and bye.